Once you're in thirdeye.ai, click on your Start Your Free Trial button. So once you're here, you'll see a login screen. So if you are new to the platform, click on Sign Up button here on the bottom. Once you've clicked on Continue, you will be treated with an onboarding screen over here where we ask for your company name, the website of your company, and your preferred currency. So once you click on Next, you'll be offered with a free trial. You can click on Get Started to start your trial. You'll be taken directly to the integrations page where you can integrate Google Ads, Meta Ads, Google Analytics, LinkedIn ads, and TikTok ads. So once all your platforms are connected, and you'll be seeing all your metrics getting populated over here. You have everything populated in a single screen itself. In the top right corner, you'll see a calendar, date picker, and you can select the start date and end date to start analyzing your data. We take around 12 hours to do a deep analysis on. You can always go to the campaign overview section and have a good understanding around what's happening in your ad campaigns across different platforms. So you can see a beautiful funnel over here where you can do deeper analysis. You can also change the campaign types on the top. You can always switch to sales, leads, awareness, and app installs. You can do a quick comparison between your campaign performance between different platforms. You also search your campaigns, and you can also select whatever platforms you want to see over here. You can also edit the table structure to your liking to do a better analysis. You can also see a beautiful graph and get the insight that which city or which location is giving you better impressions, clicks, and conversions. Same for age and gender. You can also understand how many users are landing on your website, how many new users are there, and how many are bouncing. The key feature of our product is powerful AI-generated insights and recommendations we generate for you based on your campaign performance. Once your insights are ready, you'll receive an email, and you can always come back to the product and see our top insights and recommendations. You can always click on your upgrade plan and click on Upgrade Now and upgrade your essential plan. So yeah, this is how you get started with Third Eye. Thank you.